So let us take a very simple example. You're asked to analyze the graph of y is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 6. It means you're asked to decide which case this graph comes in. So there are two things to observe. The first thing to observe is the leading coefficient. So the leading coefficient 2 is positive. That means you're looking at an upward parabola. You're looking at these three cases. So the answer can be one of these three cases. Next, the second thing to observe is the value of discriminant. Delta is equal to b square is 25 minus 4ac, 4 into 2 into 6, that is 48, which is negative. So A is positive, you have an upward parabola, and discriminant is negative, that means the graph is not cutting x-axis. Discriminant is negative means that the equation does not have any real roots. That means the graph should not cut x-axis, hence this graph goes into this case. A greater than 0 and discriminant less than 0, and this graph lies completely above x-axis.